Ever wonder why your string comparisons fail even when they look identical? The culprit is often invisible whitespace, and that's where strip comes to the rescue. The strip method removes whitespace characters from both the beginning and end of a string. Let's see it in action. If you have a string with leading and trailing spaces, calling strip returns a clean version with those spaces gone. Notice the original string stays unchanged because strings in Python are immutable. What counts as whitespace? Strip removes spaces, of course, but also tabs, new lines, and carriage returns. Any invisible character that creates spacing gets stripped away. This makes it perfect for cleaning user input or parsing text files. Here's a critical detail. Strip doesn't modify the original string. It returns a new string with whitespace removed. That's because strings are immutable in Python. If you want to keep the cleaned version, you need to assign it to a variable. The original remains untouched. Python also gives you lstrip for removing whitespace only from the left side and rstrip for the right side. And here's a bonus. Strip can take an optional argument to remove specific characters instead of whitespace. Pass in a string of characters, and strip will remove any of them from both ends. Remember, strip removes whitespace from both ends, returns a new string without modifying the original, and comes with left only, right only, and custom character variants. Master these, and you'll handle string cleaning like a pro. Practice this question, and more on Interview Mentor. Want to get better at answering questions like this? With Interview Mentor, you practice real interview questions out loud. You get personalized feedback and a grade on every answer, and you can track your improvement over time.